This John Rea Realty property video is presented by Linda Edwards. Welcome to this versatile 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that offers a unique property setup for a workshop or mother-in-law suite, complete with water and electric connections. The living room welcomes you with a cozy fireplace, providing warmth and comfort during colder months. The kitchen boasts ample storage space, ensuring all your culinary essentials are neatly organized and easily accessible. The spacious dining area offers plenty of room to gather and enjoy meals with family and friends. This property also features an office space, allowing for productivity and convenience in the comfort of your own home. Retreat to the master bedroom, which offers a walk-in closet for all your storage needs, as well as a luxurious jet tub, providing a relaxing escape from the demands of the day. Step outside to the very large backyard, offering endless possibilities for outdoor activities, gardening, and creating cherished memories. The covered porch provides a shaded spot to relax and enjoy the outdoors. Don't miss out on this exceptional property that offers versatility and comfort. Schedule a viewing today and explore the endless potential that awaits you in this wonderful home. For more information,